Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G53. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings. And now enter display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can change lock screen preferences like notification style, privacy on lock screen, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, control from lock device, and double line clock. Next, we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable dark theme, display size and text, enable or disable bold text and high contrast. Then you can enable night light, adjust it and schedule it. Next you can change colors mode between natural and saturated, and color temperature. Then you can enable or disable auto rotate screen, full screen mode for apps. You can set screensaver. Enable or disable attentive display. Change display refresh rate between auto, 60 Hz and 120 Hz. Enable or disable peak display, 3-finger screenshot, swipe to split, and adjust screen record. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.